Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Azda and I do sewn and DIY fashion. Okay, I did this project before, but I lost it somehow. I can't explain. Anyway, I went to Dollar General and I wanted to get some kind of specific material, but I didn't find it, so I swapped it with something else, which is like robes, and I made me a summer hat, but it didn't work, so I failed miserably. So I went again and I got me this method, and it worked amazingly. So I was so nervous when I wanted to make this hat, but it just paid off. It's so pretty, it's so big, and it's so amazing. And let's just go and watch the tutorial, because you guys gonna love the result. Let's go. I went to Dollar General and I got 4 of these pieces, and then I took them apart, and I took them to pieces, and then I just collect them together so it will be easy for me to work with them later on. It took me let's say 2 hours to finish it all. Not 2 hours, probably more than that, because at the end when I'm finished the whole hat, it was wobbly. To put some corset wires to strengthen it a little bit. It gave it a little bit of strength, but it didn't give it that strength. I am satisfied, so satisfied with the result. I guess I just wish that it was more sturdy than wobbly, because when I walk, trying to enjoy my hat, I have to sometimes do like this, so you can be able to look around. But yeah, so far it's just amazing. that's it for today, everyone, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope you like the result. Also, if you are you know, you feel like, yeah, let me go do the same thing, yeah, just go to Dollar General and get some of those sheets. You'll find them just $1, you know. And please, if you are it doesn't matter if you're just proud of what you did, tag me in my Instagram. I would love to see the result. I will be wearing this hat from now on in all of my videos, and I'm so proud of it, and I'm so in love with it, like so in love. Probably after like a year or something, I will just feel stupid about it. It was like, yeah, it was something. But for now, I'm a proud designer, if you know what I'm saying. Please don't forget to share and to like and subscribe, and tell me what you think in the comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.